Like, so we're thinking about our daycare here.
Yeah.
Like when you leave the playground, there's like they changed like the storybook.
Oh.
And the last one that we read
Look at bio.
Yeah.
And I decided to go booze cruise tubing. You got a flat tire, dude.
Alright, so we made it to Pickens. This is the trailhead, so you've got yeah, so we're here. We're going to put air in the tires, but the pump is not working because it's severed right there.
Lovely.
It's even severed like right there too. Alright, so yeah, the air pump thing doesn't work. But here's like a map of the Doodle Trail. So we're up here. Apparently there's bathrooms and stuff over there in the pavilion. They got like a playground, all that. And then they've got turtles on the town, so it's like this is kind of treated like a game, especially if you ride with kids. And it tells you where each one is, and I mean, I guess that's pretty cool for the town, you know, because you end up riding around town. Because you just kind of like, the Doodle Trail ends right here, like where you come into town. So, nice mountain view. It's been a good ride so far. Feel pretty good. That's not hurting, so that's nice. And yeah, so we'll just hang out here, rest up, maybe eat something, and then we'll ride back to the car.